Montauk Lighthouse crowns the cliffs and overlooks these famous fishing grounds at the southern portal of Long Island Sound.
So here we sit, and it's completely mellow, and in the snap of a finger, we can see a huge bird play. Birds! Birds, look! And take off. And 5 seconds later, we can be hooked up with 2 albies. Montauk! Doubled up! It's like potluck. You can find blues, albies, stripers.
I got that again.
Bait is important, no matter what you're fishing for, in spite of the rare occasions when it seems that the fish will take almost anything.
The coolest thing about a bird play is the fish are pushing up the bait fish to the top. And they're pounding on them. And then the birds are coming down. They're picking scraps up or they're picking up stunned fish.
Oh my God, that's sick.
It always works. 100% of the time. Let it be a bunker! Woo! Freaking Montauk rock! If there are birds, there are fish under there. It's just a matter of, do you have the right lure? And we have all the secret sauce.
Oh my God.
How cool is that? It's the golden hour!
That's awesome, dude. We're done.
That's all I got to say about birds.
Montauk Point has for generations been a favorite haunt of striped bass fishing enthusiasts.